Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly option in the world of open-ear earbuds, the Soundcore C30i. These earbuds promise a lot at an affordable price point, but do they deliver? Let's find out. Starting off with the design, the Soundcore C30i aims for a sleek and functional look. They come in a crystal black or white, with a distinctive see-through style that blends practicality with a bit of flair. The earbuds themselves are lightweight and designed for a secure fit, making them ideal for workouts and outdoor use. Moving on to features, the C30i supports Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which offers fast pairing and a reliable wireless range. They also integrate with the Soundcore app, although the feature set is somewhat limited compared to higher-end models. You get basic controls and battery indicators, but don't expect advanced EQ settings or premium codec support here. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The C30i impress with their audio performance, offering clear mids and punchy lows that make music enjoyable across various genres. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or more acoustic sounds, these earbuds deliver a balanced soundstage that's perfect for casual listening. When it comes to call quality, however, the C30i fall a bit short. While the mic does a decent job in quiet environments, background noise can be an issue for the person on the other end. Connectivity-wise, Bluetooth 5.3 mostly holds up well, though some users have reported occasional drops in connection and pairing issues. On the bright side, battery life is a standout feature here, with up to 10 hours of playback per charge and an additional 30 hours from the charging case. The C30i outlasts many competitors in this price range. Quick charging support also means you can get 3 hours of playtime from just a 10-minute charge, which is perfect for when you're in a rush. So, should you consider the Soundcore C30i? Well, if you're on a budget and looking for earbuds that offer solid sound quality and excellent battery life, they're definitely worth considering. However, they do come with some drawbacks, like finicky touch controls and limited app features. That wraps up our review of the Soundcore C30i. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments what you think of these earbuds or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.